What's up, balance seeking friend? I'm here to show you some quick, wonderful techniques for your neck and your head if you've been experiencing headaches or cervicogenic headaches or anything of the sort. So here goes. Taking our balance balls or 2 tennis balls and a sock, twisting it, placing it on our pillow, coming so that those balls land right behind the neck. Let the head sink in. Let the head go right to left. You can support the tennis balls with your hand to control it a little more. You can rotate even further over, getting the area behind your ear, that mastoid there. You can actually put it on your head and just sink into it. Surprising, there is soft tissue all around your noggin. Yep. Yes. Even, come down here, Ziggy. Even Ziggy knows this feels good. Why don't you lie down and relax with me? Yeah, you feel the nice, relaxing energy? Dogs sense it. See, it's not hard to do this. Can you lie down? You're in the way. Okay, got it? So, spend a little time with these behind your neck, and your dog might get them, so be careful. Discover balance. Yes, yes, discover balance. Discover balance, yes.